All right, hey, this is Mr. Barr, and this is graphing solutions to absolute value equations. Really, if you watched the last video, this is the same idea, except at the end, you got to put a point on the graph. So if you remember what I said before, we've got a couple steps here. One, you're going to isolate. Am I spelling that right? Isolate, does it have two S's or one? I don't know. So you're going to isolate the absolute value, and then after that, we do what I call a split, flip, negative. And what I mean by a flip is when we get into absolute value inequalities, we're going to be flipping the inequality symbol over. Right now, we're just dealing with equal signs, and when you flip an equal sign, you end up with an equal sign. So the flip isn't doing much. So if I'm looking at this guy, I have t plus 6 equals 4. Here's my split. T plus 6 equals, I flip that, negative 4. Split, there's a flip right there, negative 4. So subtracting 6, t equals negative 2. Subtracting 6, t equals negative 10. I'm going to plot those 2 points, negative 2, negative 10, and that's it. That's the game. It's just like what you did in the previous IXL, except now you have to plot the points. Let's try this again. Split, flip negative, v minus 8 equals 1. There's the split. V minus 8 equals, it just flipped, negative 1. There's the negative. V equals 9. V equals 7. No, v equals 9. V equals 7. Right? Yes. Graphing it, 9, 7. Okay, let's jump a level. The isolation just became harder. But it's the same idea. Adding 8 to both sides, plus 8, that gives me z minus 29 equals 5. Here's the split. Z minus 29 equals 5. Z minus 29 equals negative 5. There's the flip and the negative. So z equals 34, and z equals 24. Right? 29 minus 5, 34, 24. Brilliant. Nothing crazy here. Let's jump a level. I don't know, the isolation's more difficult? I'm not sure. Let's add 8 to both sides, plus 8. That's going to take me to 100 equals absolute value of v plus 700. Here's the split. V plus 700 equals 100. V plus 700 equals negative 100. There's a flip and a negative, even though you don't see the flip. Subtracting 700. That's negative 600. Subtracting 700. Negative 800. So negative 600 and negative 800. Man, nothing crazy here. Let's jump a level. Challenge zone. The isolation, that's where the challenge is right now. So let's subtract 8 from both sides. That's going to take me to 8, negative 5p minus 5 equals 0. Dividing by 8, negative 5p minus 5 equals 0, absolute value of that. This is just going to have a single answer, but let's do it. Minus 5p minus 5 equals 0. And even if I flip it and add a negative, nothing's going to happen. Solving this, plus 5 plus 5. Negative 5p equals 5. P equals negative 1. Only one solution to this one. Right there at negative 1. I'll do another one, but it's just the isolation is the most difficult part here. Subtracting, oh, it's another 0. Oh, I do not like the zeros. 7w minus 7 equals 0. W minus 7 equals 0 after I divide by 7. W equals 7. Ah. Do not like that one. Okay. I'll do this one. This will be my last one. Isolation step, dividing both sides by 6. That's going to give me a 10. So negative 2b minus 90 equals 10. Here's the split. Negative 2b minus 90 equals 10. Negative 2b minus 90 equals negative 10. There's a flip and a negative. Negative 2b equals 100. b equals negative 50. And adding 90, negative 2b equals 80, b equals negative 40. Negative 50 and negative 40. Yeah, negative 50, negative 40. All right, hey, that's it. Thanks for watching. No, I need to get out of here. Bye-bye.